Daytona Beach Bike Week 2023. But we're not going to Bike Week. We're going on a boat tour. Ponce Inlet Scenic Route. Heading to a boat tour. We're gonna go out in the water today. Manatee Scenic Tours. It's not the one we thought we booked, but it looks cute. There's one down the street and we thought we booked that, but this shall do, I guess. It's a boat, it's going in the water. Might be cold. Hello everybody. So we're here at Ponce Inlet, just south of Daytona. It's beautiful out. A little breeze, it's kind of cold, the sky is blue. A little chilly, but we're going to take a boat tour. Look for some manatees and just cruise around. If we don't see any manatees, no big deal. Just be cool to get out there in that water. I love going on boat rides, so it's gonna be fun. Look at this guy. Another guy right there. He's hanging out. Here comes the boat we're gonna get on.
He's telling them to move. Aww. Oh! I gotta get.
Hurry.
Before we get pulled away from the dock here, no, we're not gonna flip, no, we're not gonna sink them, just do these things by law.
And we're off.
Alright, y'all, hello and welcome aboard the motor vessel Manatee. My name is Keaton, like I said, I'm going to be your main and your license captain today is going to be Captain Billy. You all are now more than welcome to stand up, walk around the sides, and come stand up right here. Now there are 203 steps you can walk up. However, I promise you will feel every single one of these steps the next day. They're kind of, you know, the temperature dropped from last night. We got some rain, kind of dropped the temperature a little bit. Man, let me tell you, on a hot weekend, man, this island is jam-packed with thousands of boaters, and you will not be able to fit another one on them. So we like to refer to as the Redneck Yacht Club. Hey, welcome my seats and boats, Mr. Roger, real taking off above, but y'all don't let them fool you. Or they they're catching in the bars. And, like I said, there are thousands of boaters that come to this island and back out.
Trusty was freaking out because we were heading toward the ocean.
With the trees and the water crash.
Thought for sure we were going out there. I said, there's no way this boat is going to go in the ocean. She panicked.
The island of it.
Now, I'm not sure if you folks knew this or not, but New Smyrna Beach is actually the shark bite capital of the world. So, you know, I've lived in Florida for going on 15 years now. That's on the whole trip, yeah, see. I've been living in Florida for about 15 years now, right? Sharks have never given me an issue. I've been surfing in these waters since I moved here. Surfed all the major hurricanes and everything in between. You want to know why great white sharks don't really bite people on the beach here? But why bull sharks do? Alright. You ever seen a picture?
Heading into New Smyrna Beach.
Now, working on this boat for so long, I've seen these dolphins that can't be more than just a day or two old. And let me tell you, they are by far the cutest darn thing you will ever see. Alright, they're so cute. You want to just scoop them up out of the water, take them home, throw them in your bathtub, call them George, he's yours for life. However, like I said, they get quite big, and unfortunately, that is not, can't really do that.
I think we should buy
Trust me,
a
I've
little
tried.
beach retreat right up there so we can sit outside and watch the dolphins.
Yep.
How you doing here?
Spotted some dolphins over there.
Today are Atlantic bottlenose dolphins. They are the same ones that are out in the ocean. Something different about them, they like to just come and go as they please. Now, is this anyone's first time seeing dolphins in the wild by chance? You are wild, Discovery Cove and SeaWorld do not count. I try to ask that just about every trip, and I get people, rather they're big or small, be like, hey, that's me. I mean, I get people that have never been on a boat nor seen the ocean, and it makes us excited that we were just
Oh my gosh. Wow.
like right in front of the boat here. Here on the right popped up, looks like they're chasing some bait. What these dolphins a lot of times like to do is they like to head to this deeper water here in the main channel where all these boats are coming through, where it gets a little deeper, and then they like to corral little bait fish and things like that, and they're gonna push them and push them up towards like these rock pilings.
These
All
dudes
they're
are
here
trying to
for.
steal the dolphins' food. Look.
Oh my goodness. We're gonna have lots of commentary like, oh, cute. Ooh, ah.
Oh, look. He's right there. He just popped up in front of the boat. Oh, that was cool. Moving on from the dolphins, heading south. Cool. I love boat tours.
I could definitely see myself having my Starbucks every morning on one of these little front porches.
I like the brick house.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, totally relaxing out here to live on the water like this.
Just admiring all these houses. That one's really cool. Looks like a tree house or something.
That looks like a tree house.
Yep. I found my house. I want that one. Little mid-century looking house.
Foreign policy for everything right now, because it gets so crazy down here for spring break. And I'm gonna be real, they scared me away. I ain't coming back here at all the rest of spring break. I'm telling you that right now. And I used to come down here all the time to go to the or to go check out the great restaurants, there's a lot of gift shops, boutiques.
Found Tressy's favorite boat right
It's a
there.
really just cool area. However, if you all come check it out, which like I said, I recommend doing. I also recommend parking.
The garlic.
House in this boat.
That way you don't have to drive past the cops, you don't have to worry about it, alright? Like I said, they're taking it for any little thing. And
Turn around, head back.
I want to go out on that sandbar and plop my booty down in that sand and just sit there forever and never leave. It looks so refreshing out there. See the birds and make rooms for me?
Yeah, why not? Or you think they would all fly away at once? Like,
I poop on my head.
oh yeah. That'd be the price. That's the price of admission.
We are going to be a doctor, so we're going to go to budget before we have a line of 6 up front here or in the back of the cabin.
Winding down. Coming back. Time to get some food.
Because all I'm going to
Never had some. Always remember to tip your crew.
doesn't matter.
Thank you guys. We really enjoyed it.
So that was fun. Always love a good boat ride. That was cool. Haven't been on land in about an hour and a half, so kind of weird walking. Boat tour done. It's a little chilly today, but then it's hot. Hot and chilly. Should I wear my hoodie? I burn. I take my hoodie off, I get cold. Now it's time for some food.